Okay.
Samson versus CA. In this case, Samson was jointly charged with the complex crime of estafa through falsification of 2 checks of the PNB. Samson here alleged that he cannot be convicted of the said crime because the information filed against him was different from that which is proved in court. He said that he was convicted of the crime of estafa through falsification by imprudence. However, in the information filed against him, it was alleged that the falsification was willful. He said that a deliberate intent to commit an unlawful act is inconsistent with the idea of negligence. Therefore, the issue in this case is whether he can be convicted of the said crime, even though the information is different from that which is proved. The court said yes, he can, because the doctrine in this case is that when there is variance between allegation and proof. When there is variance between the offense charge in the complaint or information and that which is proved or established by the evidence, the defendant will be convicted of the offense proved, which is included or necessarily includes in the offense proved. The court also said that it is not required or necessary that all the essential elements of the offense charged in the information or complaint be proved. It is sufficient that some of the said elements are established in the offense proved. Besides, moreover, the mere assurance from a former classmate is insufficient. Even the resident certificates are insufficient. In this case, the defendant the Samson here was negligent. He failed to assure the identity of the persons of who are the real claimants of the checks. Therefore, the court said that he was properly convicted.